This is emergency for police department. We have a thief that escaped from police department. Here are the picture of the thief. Please lock all door window and cover it with it. The thief can turn into
Alright guys, okay, you guys, can you see me, chat? Can you see me? Okay. Gotta be quiet. Gotta be really quiet, chat. Alright guys, he's close. He's close. I can smell him, chat. I can smell his odor. Smells like body odor. He's close. Chat, I can smell the Pop-Tart crumbs. Okay. Do you hear that? Creekcraft? Yeah. I'm here to get you, Creek.
If you meet him or saw him broke into your house, please hide into your closet or bedroom. Please do not use weapon to attack the thief. It will not work. He is immortal. Please call 911 if you see the thief and run away.
Stop calling me that, you dumb